All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I am going to show you how to control the radio controls. Go ahead and give me a like if you please. Thanks a lot, appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to go over the radio controls, okay, really briefly. Right here is the volume. In order to turn it on, I'm going to just press this, okay? If you press this, it will turn the audio on, okay? Or for the radio system on. And now you have options to choose from. You can go to radio, to phone, to apps, to media, and here, right, these buttons right here, scroll back or forth if a certain track is selected. If we move to the right, this is how you scroll through the songs or tune through the radio once you have the radio on, okay? This particular model right here actually has a CD player where you can press this right here and it'll eject the CD if you have it in there, okay? And then there's a home screen that will take you back to the home screen right there where you can see like different options on the dashboard where you can select things. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and that is the radio control system. In order to turn it up and down, there you go. And you also can control it from the steering wheel by using these knobs right here on the left-hand side. Thanks a lot for watching.